Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. So in order to recover these memories, all you want to do is open up the Snapchat app. You then want to go to your profile in the top left and then go to settings in the top right. At the settings page, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and then underneath account actions, you should see near the bottom My Data. If you select My Data, it might load for a second. But once it's done loading, this will pop up and you can just read through it and see what it's all about. So the data available in app, it has pretty much all the information that you need, and then also data available for download. So more than likely, they'll have just about anything that you've ever done on Snapchat. So you can just read through it and see if whatever you're looking for is here. And then if you want to, go ahead and put in your email and then confirm the email, and then select a certain date or certain dates where the memory might have occurred, and then submit the request, and it should get back to you within a couple of days. And then another thing you can do is just hop out of here, just get off of Snapchat, and then go to your camera roll. If you go to your camera roll, you can just scroll through and see if there's any kind of pictures on there that you just didn't know that were on there. Another thing you could do is just go to Snapchat and go to your memories. So go here, hop out of here, and then just go to your memories and just scroll through everything and see whether or not you can find those memories. So I hope one of these methods does help you recover your memories, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.